Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a quick and easy way to recover a Word document that was accidentally closed without saving and without AutoSave turned on. Yes, it's possible, so let's jump right in. The first thing I'll do, I'll open a new Microsoft Word document, and yeah, that's our new Word document, and proceed to paste some content in it. Yeah, that's our content. Now I'll close the document. You see I haven't saved, so I'll close the document. Click on don't save. Yeah, and even delete that. Just like what happens when you accidentally click don't save or your PC shuts down unexpectedly. In the second step, we'll try to recover the lost Word document. To recover the lost file, here's what you need to do. Open your File Explorer, go to this PC or my computer. In the second step, we'll try to recover the lost Word document. To recover the lost file, here's what you need to do. Open your File Explorer, go to this PC or my computer, and click on the search bar in the top right corner and type in this exactly .asd. That's the file extension used to recover, used for auto recovering the files created by Microsoft Word, even if you didn't enable AutoSave. So you click on that and proceed to searching. The search process might take a few minutes, especially if your computer has a lot of files, so be patient. It usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. So let's give it some time to load the search results. Search results appear. Look out for a file that resembles the name or contents of the document you lost. Usually you'll see something like .wrl xx.sd or auto recovery save of document 1.asd. You can also check the date and time, especially here. It's you can see this is the most file that was accidentally deleted or was never saved. So you just click to open the file. It should launch in Microsoft Word, and then you can, if the content is correct, you can just go ahead and click on restore. After clicking on restore, you can choose to save the Word document file and save as on desktop. That is it, and that is it. So if you come to your desktop, here will be the Word document that was lost or that was never saved. That's how you can recover a Word file that you closed without saving, even when AutoSave wasn't turned on. If this tip helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.